Upgrading your home is one of the smartest investments you can make, and one improvement consistently proven to boost property value is window replacement. For Phoenixville homeowners, where seasonal temperature swings and rising energy costs are part of daily life, new windows offer both immediate comfort and long-term financial gain. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to enhance its curb appeal and efficiency, replacing outdated windows can deliver a significant return. Boosting energy efficiency and lowering utility bills. One of the most appealing benefits to buyers, and one of the biggest value drivers, is improved energy efficiency. Many Phoenixville homes still have older, drafty windows that allow warm air to escape in winter and cool air to leak out in summer. Modern replacement windows are engineered with advanced insulating features such as low-E coatings, double or triple panes, and gas fills between the glass layers. These upgrades create a tighter seal, reducing the workload on your HVAC system. For homeowners, this translates into noticeably lower monthly energy bills. For potential buyers, energy efficiency is a major selling point, as they know the home will be more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. When buyers perceive long-term savings, they're often willing to pay more, directly increasing your home's market value. Enhancing curb appeal and first impressions. A home's exterior appearance has a big impact on how buyers perceive its overall quality. Old, faded, or mismatched windows make even well-maintained homes look dated. Replacement windows instantly freshen the facade, adding a polished and modern look that elevates curb appeal. Whether you choose classic double-hung windows, sleek picture windows, or custom designs to complement Phoenixville's architectural styles, new windows can tie your home's aesthetic together. A visually appealing home not only draws more interest but also justifies a higher asking price once it hits the market. Increasing natural light and interior appeal inside your home. New windows enhance natural light, one of the features buyers value most. Bright, open spaces feel larger, cleaner, and more inviting. If your current windows are foggy, yellowed, or worn, replacing them can dramatically improve your home's interior atmosphere. Many modern window designs also offer slimmer frames and larger glass surfaces, maximizing views of your yard or surrounding landscape. These subtle lifestyle upgrades make your home feel more luxurious, appealing to buyers who prioritize comfort and livability. Reducing noise and improving indoor comfort. Noise reduction is another underrated benefit of window replacement. Phoenixville homeowners near major roads, schools, or busy neighborhoods often experience unwanted outside noise. High-performance replacement windows significantly reduce sound transmission, creating a quieter and more peaceful home. Comfort features matter when buyers evaluate your property. A quiet, draft-free, temperature-stable home leaves a strong impression and adds to the overall perceived value. Improving home security and safety. Older windows can be difficult to open, easy to break, or lacking in modern locking mechanisms. Replacement windows come with improved security features such as reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass options, and advanced multi-point locks. For families, safety is a major consideration, and secure windows can be a deciding factor in choosing a home. Additionally, newer windows are designed for smoother operation, making them safer and easier to use in an emergency. Delivering a strong return on investment. Window replacement consistently ranks as one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment. Homebuyers pay attention to upgraded features that reduce long-term maintenance costs, improve comfort, and enhance visual appeal, all qualities new windows provide. In Phoenixville's competitive housing market, where buyers value energy savings and modern amenities, replacing your windows can help your home stand out while increasing its resale value. Even if you don't plan to sell soon, you'll enjoy the immediate comfort and efficiency benefits every day.